Y'all, this is gonna take forever. I'm gonna just let you know now. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria if you don't know me, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys like a mini get ready with me. I say mini because I didn't do like a whole outfit for this video, but I'm doing my hair and I'm doing my makeup. It's gonna be for like a Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, whatever festivities y'all got going on, just an idea. I did this real cute glitter cut crease. I haven't done a bold look on my channel in a while, so I figured it was time, especially now that it's holiday season. So yeah, I did this really cute cut crease, super warm, super fall, super Thanksgiving, and all of that. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you guys want to see my Thanksgiving get ready with me, then keep watching. All right, y'all, so my eyebrows are done. If anyone wants a detailed video on how I do my eyebrows, I'll link one above. Now, we're gonna move on to my eyes. As you guys can see, I did one already just because I want to make sure it's gonna come out right before I went ahead and showed y'all. Since it did come out pretty nicely, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the second eye and show you guys how I did it. So I'm using this palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette. This is the first shade that I'm gonna go into. It's called Try Me. And I'm just gonna put it right in my crease, just like this. I feel like that warm orangey tone reminds me a lot of Thanksgiving, so I feel like it definitely would be fitting for the occasion. So I'm kind of like putting it in my crease, but I'm also kind of bringing it a little bit higher to give my eye that shape. Now I'm going into the darkest brown shade in the palette called Irreplaceable, and I'm using a different brush and I'm putting that right on my corner. So this is kind of gonna create the illusion that my eye has more depth, I guess you would say. So I'm just gonna take a second to really try to blend this in. And I'm kind of bringing it into my crease as well, like a tiny bit. So this is what it should look like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. To do that, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the shade Medium Beige. So this is actually the shade I would highlight with if I was using this concealer to highlight my face. This is the shade I would highlight with. So I'm just gonna put some onto my lid, and then I'm gonna like look up. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this trick before, but if not, this is basically how I do my cut crease. I look up and that's where I'm gonna draw the line. Okay, so my crease is cut. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyeshadow on top of it. I'm using this really light shade right here. It's called Natural Glam. And I'm just taking a flat brush to put that shade all over where I put the concealer. All right, so now that that's done, I'm going back into the first brown shade we used, and I'm gonna put that back into my corner, and I'm kind of just gonna try to blend these two shades together as best I can. So I'm just kind of going back and forth between the two shades. This is the lighter shade again, and the brown. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the glitter liner. So technically what I'm using isn't an eyeliner. This is an eyeshadow. It's from e.l.f. This is what it looks like. It's like a tiny little glitter eyeshadow, and it's just in the color gold. So I'm gonna open it, and this is kind of what the applicator looks like, a regular applicator. But because obviously I want it to be more precise, I guess you would say, I'm gonna be using a little angle brush just to take the glitter off and apply it to my cut crease. And there we are, there we have it. So also, if you guys didn't know, I didn't really mess up my eyeliner, luckily, but if you guys do ever like mess up with your glitter, if you use a spoolie, it would take the glitter off. So I'm not gonna do it now because I didn't really mess up, but you would basically take it here and you would try to like carve out wherever the glitter got that you didn't want it, and it's really good at taking off glitter. So if you ever mess up, there's a little tip for fixing your glitter. Anywho, we're gonna move on to our face now. So I'm gonna be using my favorite foundation. This is the Huda Beauty foundation. The shade I'm using is Mocha. Y'all, this foundation is like literally running out because I use it so much, as y'all know. I literally always use this Real Technique sponge, so that's what this is. For concealer, I'm using this Pretty Fresh concealer from ColourPop. I've been using this concealer for like the past, it's only been like a couple days, but I do really like it, and it's very affordable. So if you guys are looking for a good drugstore concealer, well, I don't know, I mean, is it considered drugstore just because it's affordable? I don't know, but you can find it at Ulta, so I would say that it's considered drugstore. But If you're looking for a good, affordable concealer, this is the one, because I don't remember exactly how much it was, but it was not expensive. Of course, this ColourPop. And it looks really good. I'm blending everything in with my Real Technique sponge. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution Banana Deep powder. And this is my powder sponge from Real Techniques. And I'm just gonna set where I did my concealer with that. I'm like so not super precise when it comes to powder, because as long as my makeup's set, then we good, okay? That's really all I need from the powder, for real, if we're being honest. I'm gonna wipe it off with a big powder brush. I don't know how this piece of hair got on my face, like. Okay, so anyways, I'm moving on to bronzer. This is the Hoola Toasted Bronzer by Benefit. And I'm taking this big old powder brush and bronzing my face with it. I know you guys are used to seeing me like contour, but I decided I wanted to start bronzing because I wanted to go for like a warmer look, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I found a bronzer. I remember I was like complaining in an earlier video about how I couldn't find a good bronzer, but I really do like this one, so I ain't mad. Okay, so moving on to blush, I'm using this Sweet Cheeks blush by NYX. The shade for this is called Bang Bang. I think it's a really pretty color. I feel like it's nice and warm without being like too red. Like, I don't know, it's more of like a berry color than like a red, if that makes sense. For highlighter, I'm using my fave Nefertiti by Juvia's Place. And I'm just putting it everywhere that I normally highlight, which is like my whole face. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I lied. All I did was I put some lash glue on my eye, like close to my lashes, just because it makes it easier for me to put my lashes on that way. But yeah, I'm waiting for my lashes to dry. I put some beauty marks on too. So yeah, I figured while I let my lashes dry real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. So y'all know I'm always using my eyebrow pencil to line my lips. I kind of want to blend it a little bit. I always like to blend my lip liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip. I'm doing a nude lip today because what's new? And and the shade that I'm using is from Urban Decay and it's called Uptight. So this is like a pinky nude. So this is what it looks like. Of course I'm gonna put some lip gloss over it because honestly, like who would I be if I didn't? Like y'all know I literally always throw some lip gloss over my lip. Okay, so boom, lips are glossed. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on because they should be dry by now. All right, so lashes are on, makeup is done. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and get my life. Okay, so now I'm clipping my hair up and I'm just gonna go ahead and curl it. I really could have left it puffy like this, but I wasn't really feeling it. So I wanna curl it, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl it and I'm gonna speed that up so y'all can see. Y'all, this is gonna take forever. I'm gonna just let you know now. So if I make this real fast, it's because there's so much hair on this wig. And by the way, this was originally a deep wave wig, so that's why I'm like, I have to hot comb it and stuff to make it a little more, to make it straight pretty much. I mean, I'm not OD straightening it. I'm just trying to get rid of like the deep waves, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'll leave the info to this wig in the description. Y'all, this is taking too long. I don't have the energy. I don't have the patience. Like, why did I decide to do this to this hair? All right, y'all, so I went ahead and ran my fingers through my hair, put a shirt on, put some earrings on so I can kind of like complete the look a little bit for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it came out so cute. Like, honestly, it's a look to me. At least to me. I like it. I love the warmth of the eye. I love the gold cut crease. Like, it just gives me fall, Thanksgiving, and all of the above. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.